Unit 8, Lessons 1 to 2. Weather. What's the weather like? Hot, sunny. It's sunny. It feels hot. Cloudy. It's cloudy. Cold, windy. It's windy. It feels cold. Wet, rainy. It's rainy. It's wet. Snowy. It's snowy. It's very cold. Nice. Bad. It's sunny and hot. It's a nice weather. It's raining. It's a bad weather. What's the weather like? It's sunny. It's rainy. It's snowy. It's cloudy. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's windy. It's cloudy. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's cloudy. It's windy. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's snowy. Unit 8, Lessons 3 to 4. 10. It's number 10. Practice counting from 1 to 10. From 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Lunch box. It's a lunch box. All together. They sit all together. Some. There are some people. Hat. It's a hat.